Hey everyone, it's Angela. Thanks for joining us today as we craft the easy beaded pumpkins. Today we started off with 3 of the little beaded hoops that you can get at Dollar Tree. And what I did was I just took it and I opened up the little loop that's there on the end of the wire. You can see how I just open it up. It's a little bit tricky, but it wasn't too bad. And just keep pulling it back until you can get it to where you can slide some of those beads off. Now what I did was I took one bead off of one of the hoops, and off of the other 2 hoops I actually took off 3 beads from each of the other 2 hoops. What this is going to do, it's going to give you a little bit of room to be able to connect your pieces together, especially at the bottom of the pumpkin. So once I had the beads off of it, I just began assembling it and putting one hoop through the other hoop until I could get it to form to make it appear to be a little pumpkin. So once I had all 3 hoops in the position that I really wanted them to be in, I just took some floral wire and began to run it through the hoops until they were pretty steady. If you have some zip ties, that would be awesome to use at this point, because I think it would work very easily. You could easily run it through there, but I didn't have any, and so I just used this floral wire. I did the same thing to the top and the bottom. I just ran the floral wire through the top and the bottom, kind of weaving it in and out between the circles to get it to connect and stay together. I did double my floral wire over to give it a little more strength because mine was pretty flimsy. So if you have flimsy floral wire and you want to make it stronger, just double it over and then run it through your pieces. Mine held just fine by doing this. Next, I went and found a little block scrap piece of wood that I had out in the shop. Now, if you don't have a piece of wood like this, you could easily use the little Jenga blocks that they have at the Dollar Tree, or they have all types of little wood pieces that you could use. This is going to be our stem. I took my beads outside and I spray painted them with a white paint. You could use any color paint. I debated about if I wanted to use an orange paint or a white paint, but I went with a white paint, and I just spray painted it white, and I spray painted the stem brown. And then I just came back in and I began to assemble it all together. I just took hot glue and hot glued my top onto the top of my pumpkin. You could probably use E6000. It would probably work better, but for where I'm going to have mine, it's just going to be sitting there and nothing, it's going to be fine. So I just hot glued mine together. After I had it all glued together, I took some of this ribbon that I found at Dollar Tree and I just made a simple bow and wrapped around the little stem of my pumpkin. After I did the bow, I just added some more ribbon that I also got at Dollar Tree and just added it in there to give a little bit more embellishment. After I got it like I wanted it, I just took the scissors and just dovetailed the end of the ribbon. Then I just took some little leaves that I got these at Hobby Lobby. You can also get some at Dollar Tree, and just glued a couple of those on to add a little bit more fall flair to it. I apologize for just the top view of all of this. I know you can't see from the side. I am just starting in all of this, and I realized that I need a side camera going as well, and so I hope to do that in future videos. And that's it for today's craft. Thanks so much for watching. I hope that you will like and subscribe. I would love to catch you on the next quick, simple, easy craft project. Have a great day.